You followed the meditations, repeated the affirmations, and maintained every high-vibration habit in the book. Yet, despite the effort, you feel trapped behind an immovable barrier that keeps your goals perpetually out of reach. This creates a deep-seated anxiety, a suspicion that your destiny is rigged to be difficult regardless of your work. Society often tries to cure this fear with superstition. We are told to rely on complex rituals, expensive objects, or a constant hyper-vigilance regarding the movement of the planets. The creator of the universe operates beyond the reach of fear and financial transactions. Spiritual alignment is a matter of character, not commerce. This suggests a different reality. The universe responds to the specific quality of your internal state. This diagram illustrates an energetic block. Your positive intentions, represented by glowing particles, move towards their target. However, they are forcefully repelled by a thick, dark boundary of unresolved resentment. As this layer expands, your cultivated energy hits the wall, stagnates, and loses vitality. Attempting to fix this internal stagnation with external superstitions leaves your progress at a total standstill. Think of cosmic energies and planetary seasons as a roadmap. They describe the upcoming weather and the obstacles you may encounter, but they lack the power to determine your final destination. You serve as the captain of your ship. You possess the internal authority required to navigate through any storm the seasons may bring. While you cannot stop a challenge from approaching, your faith and your subsequent actions dictate the severity of its impact on your life. Carrying heavy, low-frequency emotions compromises your ability to steer. Bitterness turns a manageable rain shower into a devastating hurricane because your focus is anchored in the past rather than the horizon. External storms are inevitable, but internal emotional anchors are what truly threaten to pull a life under. Your anger likely has a legitimate origin. You were hurt and betrayed by people you trusted, and that pain is a real, documented experience. However, a grudge functions as a spiritual toxin. Holding on to it is the equivalent of drinking poison and waiting for your enemy to feel the effects. Look at this on a timeline. You were connected to a past event by a thick, vibrating red line pulling you backward. True forgiveness serves as a mechanical severance. By cutting this cord, you remove the drag, allowing you to accelerate forward along your path. Severing this tie is an act of radical humility. It aligns your character with the peace found in Christ consciousness. Forgiveness is the essential prerequisite for reclaiming your future. When you choose to forgive, the invisible wall crumbles. This creates a significant shift, as years of repressed energy are finally permitted to move. With your mental and emotional resources no longer consumed by an old grievance, you gain the clarity to recognize and act upon opportunities that were previously invisible. Wealth and peace can only enter a life that has cleared the space to receive them. This marks an end to the identity of the victim. You are no longer defined by your past or the people who caused you pain. You become a co-creator with the universe. This power is earned through the development of an unshakable inner character. When your internal world is anchored in divine peace, worldly chaos loses its ability to disrupt your progress. Step into this freedom today. Release the fear of what is to come and take command of your own journey. True alignment is the realization that your power was never located in a ritual. It was forged in the courage to let go.